Hello, hello. Guys, just a second. Let me put story so that everyone can come. Okay, so we'll begin the live by starting with the backtesting. Let people join. Okay. Okay, so beginning with the backtesting, we will do it in the official in the GFT software. Okay, like we could be trading, we could have done it in trading view, but you know, trading view it's like you cannot get any analysis, so we will do it here. Wait. Hello, hello. I am audible, right? My screen is visible and everything is okay. If everything is okay, we'll begin. If I am audible, please let me know. Yeah, before beginning I'll tell the strategy, but let me know if I'm audible or not. Yes, okay. So before starting, let me explain like what is my strategy. Okay, so I'll open a random chart. Let's go for EURUSD. Wait, here this is one chart. I need to show it later, the loss I made today. I'll open another chart of EURUSD of forex.com. Okay, so see, the strategy is nothing but it has only three things. I would say one is high time frame bias. Okay, wait. Yeah, one will be the high time frame bias. Next comes an entry model or entry confirmation, you can say model or confirmation, and next comes your entry. That's it. Like you will keep your limit order and limit order tab. See, so how it goes is like you gotta have a high time frame bias for the day. First of all, like you will be doing, for example, if I take today's market, I'll be seeing like how is the, like, let me show how I do the analysis. Be a bit attentive here. See, as you can see, okay, in daily the price has a previous day high. This is a previous day low. You can see the previous day low has been swept here. Okay, so this means, okay, now the price may be having a bias to go upside. I'll go for 1 hour. In 1 hour we'll mark the market structures. As you can see, price has done a breakout structure here, as I have taught in the bootcamp. What is the RR and win rate? Okay, just wait a second. I'll complete this and I'll say what is RR and win rate. Okay. Okay, so here you can see a breakout structure to the bullish side. This is all the market structure concept, SNC concept. When the breakout structure happened to the upside, I got a low here. Okay, and next high was formed here. And did this high broke? No, this high didn't broke it. Okay, this high hasn't broken yet. And did the low broke? No, the low didn't broke. So as it is a bullish trend and even the low is didn't break yet, so my bias will be bullish for the day. And also you can see, if I use this, you can see the price is in the discount zone, so my bias should be bullish. Okay, that's clear. So from here the price is more likely, as it has also in internally it has done a sweep. There is a high chances of this price to move up, so my bias is bullish right now, so I should be looking for bullish entries only. I will move for 50 minutes and I'll check for my session. I'll doing see here, you can see the Tokyo session has been swept. London opened, it came down and it has to call the liquidity and is going upside. Okay, so we'll do a thing. We'll not consider this. I'll cut till here. Wait. So today the trade happened in the London Open at 1 o'clock. Okay, so the low has been swept off Tokyo, so the bias is bullish right now. I'll be going for 5 minutes. Now see, this is very simple. I had the bias that the bias is going to be bullish. Okay, from now what I'm looking is, I'll again mark the structures itself. You can see, as I said, in high time frame we are bullish, but here internally the structure is bearish, so I'm not going to take any bearish entries. I'll be looking for if I get any bullish entries. Okay, so as this is the breakout structure happened here, I'll mark this as breakout structure in 5 minutes. This will be the swing high for me. Okay, if this swing high breaks, it means that price will go bullish from here. If it doesn't, then it means it's still bearish only, but I'll wait until it turns bullish, as our bias is bullish, right? So then what happens, we get a break here to the upside. It means this is now a market structure shift. The price has turned bullish from here. Okay, so now I need a confirmation that this price will go upside so that I can enter. So as this has done the market structure shift, what I will do, as my entry model suggests, my entry model consists of three things. One, you need a market structure shift. First you need a sweep, okay, liquidity sweep, then market structure shift or a break of structure, and then order block tap. Okay, you just look at it clearly, order block tap. Okay, first thing, did we get a liquidity sweep? And that is yes, where if you go for 50 minutes, we got this Tokyo session sweep. This is the Tokyo session indicator, like session indicator that's showing that this is the Tokyo session, and Tokyo session low was swept here. Okay, so we got a sweep. Did we get a market structure shift? If you go for 5 minutes, we can see the price has given a market structure shift. Now what I need to do, I need to wait for the order block tap. But where is the order block tap? Order block tap will happen in the last candle. So I'll mark this last candle. This is the last candle with the low, and I'll wait for the price to tap to this to this order block to take an entry. I'll be keeping an limit order. Okay, I'll be keeping a limit order here in this high with the stop loss still here, and I'll be targeting 1:1 or 1:5. Okay, what I played the market, we'll see what happened. Market didn't tap here, but it gave another another breakout structure. If you see clearly, we got another breakout structure. After we get another breakout structure, the order block will shift from here to this order block, because we got a breakout structure. Once we got here, so the lowest swing here is this one, right? So we got order block here, but now another after market structure shift, and we got breakout structure. This is confirmed that okay, now the price is going to be bullish. Okay, and also you can see, if I go to higher time frame, we have fair value gaps here, lots of imbalances. If I see in 1 hour or 4 hour, this is a fair value gap. So it means that okay, the price is turning bullish also, and we have fair value gap, so price will be attracted upwards. So in 5 minutes, we got market structure shift, and we wait for this order block tap, but order block tap didn't happen. Okay, now we are waiting. We got a breakout structure, so we are changing the order block to another lowest candle, and we are waiting for the tap on this candle. Okay, what we'll do, we will enter long position again. We'll keep our stop loss below this and targeting. We can target this fair value gap, as we have our fair value gap above. This is our drawn liquidity, and I can keep some 1:2 you can go, but I'll go 1:1.5 itself. And what will happen, let's see. Price gave us entry here, we entered. Price is going towards our stop loss. Price reversed, it gave us the TP. How much it gave? Okay, this is now the market is going, like it gave more than 1:4, 1:3.93, but 1:4, but we only needed 1:1 or 1:2 or 1:1.5. That's it. So this is what the model is. Okay, so this is, we are going to backtest this in backtesting software, but let's begin. Let's answer some questions like, bro, what is RR and win rate? Okay, you can ask anything. I'll be teaching right now everything. Okay, RR is nothing but risk to reward, like how much you want to risk for you getting a reward. Like for example, if I'm risking $50, okay, if I'm risking dollars, and I want to make out of 50, I want to make you would say $100. Okay, so my risk is $50 and my reward will be $100. Okay, so how much times did it increase? Like 50 became double, right? So if my risk is 50, my reward will be 100. It means that my risk to reward is 1:2. Okay, like how much, like for the risk I'm risking, how much I am expecting. If I'm putting an entry like this, let's say let's say I'm entering like this. Okay, what happened this? Okay, I'm entering like this. This is now 1:1. Like for equal amount of the price I'm risking, I'm targeting the equal amount of reward. But if I increase this reward section to double of this, like here you can see now it's 1:2. Here you can see the 2. It means that okay, if the risk is $50, I'm going to get a reward of 100. So this is what risk to reward is, like how much you're risking and how much reward you want. So it like what, like yeah, okay, bro, OB is the last candle below the IFEG, right? No, like wait, let me complete RR. I'll go for that too. Metrico 0.1. Yeah, I'll come, like I will come to that, but before that I'll say like yeah, what is risk to reward? As I said, you are risking, if you are risking 1 rupees, if you are targeting 2 rupees, then it's 1:2, and if you're targeting 3 rupees, it's 1:3, something like that. Okay, so that's what. And next, win rate. Win rate is nothing but if you're taking like n number of trades. Like for example, if you're taking 100 trades, how many trade you are winning. Like for example, if I win 50 trades and then I lose 50 trades, 50 trades, my win rate will be 50%. Like how many times I won? Out of 100 I won 50 times. If I take 100 trades, out of which I win 20 trades and lose 70 of them, that's like my 20% win rate. That's what, like in total trades, how many percentage of time you can win. That is all win rate. Okay, so we use both RR, risk to reward, and win rate to have a better risk management. So bro, the OB is the last candle below the FAG. Like are you mentioning this chart or what? See, what is OB? OB is nothing but if you have a trend coming, for example, if this is the trend, and here what happens is, here from here the market structure shift happened. Okay, so if the market structure has shifted from here to the bullish, okay, which was bearish, the last candle before this swing will be an order block. Like order block is nothing but if there is a swing. Okay, like if the swing is like this, if there is a swing, the last or extreme candle is the order block. Even if it's like upside down, like something like this also, the last candle in the swing will be our order block, and you need to be marking whole whole candle. How to mark an order block? But yeah, that's what, like see, for example, as I mark, now I got this swing, this is the swing here. Okay, this swing got broken here. At when it broke now, I'll be marking the last candle. This is the last candle, red, this is black color. I'll be marking this whole candle. This is an order block, that's it. And when again I got a break of structure, I will again mark the last candle. So this is how we'll be marking. How to mark? Brother, what is RR and win rate accuracy of your strategy? Okay, my RR, see, in for this model we'll be finding that too, that the backtesting is to find out the win rate. Actually the RR will be 1:1.5, not one. If 1:1, if I keep 1:1, like my win rate will increase, and if I go to 1:2, my win rate will decrease. Maybe the profit may be still more, but I'm being average of both of this. Like I'll go for 1:1.5. This is my RR. RR is not for the strategy. RR goes for your personality, like how you like to trade. See, if I prefer, I go to 1:1.5. People also there who trade order block with 1:3 and 1:10, and also like they're going on smaller time frames, like targeting extreme swings and all. So my RR for this strategy will be my RR for this strategy will be 1:1.5. And win rate we're gonna find out, but to be profitable in this, we at least let's see, like let me ask ChatGPT, like in one yeah. So bro, do you trade in gold or only forex? Because most of your videos are on forex. I used to trade gold, but I left gold because gold is very much volatile for me. Like that hits my SL all the time. Like it just wicks me out and then moves to the direction. So that's why I hate. And regarding this win rate, now see, I actually took a trade in this section here, in this year, in 1 minute today. In the trade was something like this. Okay, what happened was I'll show. which was a loss for me. Here I considered this low break as a break of structure, this one. Okay, because I was thinking that okay, price has in higher time frame or in 5 minutes, the price has to come to this order block and then reject so that it can target those fair value gaps I marked like a few minutes back. Okay, so I was thinking in smaller time frame I consider this as break of structure. Okay, and mark this candle, and I entered somewhere here. What mistake I kept my risk till here, something here, and I was targeting for 1:1.5 and my SL got hit. The mistake I did was there was a fair value gap above, right, and here the market has shifted to bullish actually in high time frame, but I didn't look at that. I ignored that, and I was like I was trading in smaller time frames like in 1 minute, and there I got hit. Like you can see the trade would look like something like this in 1 minute. Okay, and it didn't give 1:1 also. It was completely my mistake, and if I would have traded in 1 minute time frame, I should have marked this order block, but I marked the order block of 5 minutes and traded in 1 minute. So but actually the valid entry was still in the bullish side itself. What I said, like you can see this is the break of structure, and even if I was trading in the 1 minute also, I could have got entry something like this. Yeah, this will be the order block. See, in 1 minute you could have targeted literally 1:10. That's very but yeah, that's how you can use different RRs for different time frame. But I would suggest go only for 1:1.5 or 1:2. That's the max you can go. Bro, did you trade in gold or only for most of it? My the gold, that's what I said. Like gold are more volatile for me, so I shifted to because at the end I need to be profitable rather than being obsessed over one pair. Bro, as per your model, is there any confirmations to enter like engulfing candle or 1 minute charge or just get in the trades? Yeah, we'll be back testing, so you'll be getting to know this is all the confirmations I said. You need firstly you need bias, then you need market structure shift. Bias will be higher time frame, market structure shift will be you need a liquidity sweep. Okay, liquidity sweep should be of any important zones like previous day high or low, or you can have the session high and low. See, liquidity sweep just to confirm your bias, that's all. Like if you get a very big bias, see, I'm not expecting you to trade exactly when the sweep happens. For example, if I mark the sessions, okay, if I mark the sessions and here you get a sweep, for example, this comes to downside, so here you don't enter. When it comes down and it goes up again, this will be considered sweep, right? So from here you have a confirmation that okay, sweep has happened, so your bias will be okay. Your bias was bullish, and after this sweep it will be confirmed. So that's why I use liquidity sweep, just for a confirmation, I'd say. Later I need a market structure shift in 5 minute or 15 minute. Then after market structure shift, you'll be waiting for the order block tap. That's all. Even if I don't have market structure shift or breakout structure, and if I get only inverse fair value gap also, for example, if I consider this, see where I've got okay, here you have a inverse fair value gap. That was like immediately the price came down and it swept, right? So after inverse fair value gap, okay, you have here hours after inverse fair value gap, you'll be having when the fair value gap gets inverse, it will be leaving more fair value gaps again. See, you have this was a bearish fair value gap, right, which got inverse, but while inversing that we had some bullish fair value gaps. So if we would have gotten any tap on these fair value gaps also, we could have entered, and but the price didn't tap actually. It went up, it came the price went up, it came till here, but it went again upside. So yeah, you can use both confirmations. So yeah, that's what you said, like CHOCH is nothing but the same as MSS. It's change of character, market structure shift, or change in state of direction. Everything is same, bro. So that's what you gotta use, So we'll start backtesting and see what we can get. Is my stream lagging? Okay, so we'll do a thing. If you have any questions, you can ask, or else we'll go. Trade confirmation was about I got overall model on chart, and when I got into, then I should see any confirmation. So just get in. Okay, yeah. See, there's nothing confirmation again. Like if you get your model, it's like a limit entry. You know, it's kind of a limit entry. Like when we'll be backtesting, you'll be getting now. You are not like waiting on waiting for any candle close or anything. You are entering on just a tap. Like for example, if I have a order block here, as I said, if I order block here, and I have kept a limit order on this zone. Okay, so my entry will be happening on this candle, the half itself, like in the moving candle itself. We are not waiting because this is a very quick execution trade. You are not waiting for, even if you are trading in 50 minute or 1 hour also, same model you can use, but you are not waiting for any confirmations. You are just entering whenever you have your order block gets tapped, because most of the times what happens is, if this is a order block, the price will be coming and it will just wick you like this. Okay, it will wick and it will go on the opposite direction. So even if we look at the trade, like the news trade, like there was a news moment, right? You can see here, see, this is what I was looking at yesterday, like that day. What you got was here, the Asia high was swept. Okay, and also price almost was about to sweep the low also. Okay, and what I found is when this high broke, okay, just look at this. This was the CPI news trade, which I could have taken, but I don't trade. Okay, yeah, see, just OB tap and boom. Yeah, that's what you are right. See, here we have a break of structure, okay, to the upside. Okay, after break of structure, what I said, I'll be marking the order block. If I mark the order block in 5 minutes, see, if just a tap, you got a tap, and boom, the market went, like it came again back, but it didn't cross our order block. Okay, if you have waited, you can also see, and even once again, just look at this. We got a break of structure here. I'm marking this break of structure. Again, we got another break of structure here. When we get another break of structure, you can mark this order block. Okay, we'll leave this. This is now not invalid now because it's already used. So also in another order block, we got a tap, and it's again boom. But yeah, this was the same candle, because see, the break of structure also happened in the same candle, so we couldn't have entered this. But yeah, you could have entered a bit early, in here itself. So this is very easy model. You can try out yourself by backtesting. That's what we'll do, backtesting right now, because I don't want to waste time. Till 4:30 we're gonna backtest, because after 4:30, on other hand, it might be an FEG tap, or should I wait for OB tap? No, you should. In this model, you are not waiting for any FEG tap, because fair value gap tap is not meant for taking trades, because that's a bit more unbiased. Like, I don't think there's good confirmation on that. But you can use fair value gap taps for identifying bias, like in the higher time frame. If you have any fair value gap tap and rejection, you can think, okay, now the bias is changed. From there you can just zoom into smaller time frames and then look into some. You can get any trades around. Any suggestion for broker to trade in forex, because sometimes spreads out so much. Okay, Mayur, if you are trading in broker, I can suggest, I have a brand which had come to me that they want me to become their IB. It's from Dubai. It's something, it's registered on, and the spreads are too good. Minimum deposit balance is $100, they said, and they, if possible, I haven't registered for them. Like, I haven't logged in yet. After logging in, if I find it very good, I'll be giving my referral code. See, of course, if I refer you, I'll be getting something. but still I'll check, and if it's good only I will refer, if not I won't. But I'm being honest, like they approached me regarding this, so they said you can affiliate us. I mean I can affiliate them, so we'll see. That's some Dubai based, but you gotta only deposit using crypto. So that's what we'll do the back testing now. Okay, we'll create a new session. This is, bro, you can use this GFT. This is too good, guys. You can see, check out here. This is challenges, like you can use different types of account of there, and you can check their rules are here. And yesterday, see, I traded, like I tried to pass a 2-step GOAT account. Okay, bro, thanks. Do let us know. Yes, sure. And you can see the stats. Like yesterday, I traded the same model. I got 75% win rate. The stats are not opening, guys. Okay, I got 75% win rate. The profit factor was 5, like because I was taking multiple trades in a day, like so yeah, I took 4 trades, out of which I lost 1 and 3 wins were there. And yeah, within 4 trades we passed the account, because I was risking 2%, and the RR was 1:1.5. So yeah, brother, are you full-time trader or student or job person? I'm not full-time trader, I'm a student. But yeah, like my PG is going on, that's the reason I'm more free. Okay, thanks. Okay, so we'll do I'll create a session. We'll keep 5,000 balance. I'm more comfortable with that. 5,000. We'll go for USD. That's the most safest one for me. We'll do a thing. We'll start from August 1. This month we're gonna trade. I want to do a quick back testing. I was getting bored, so see how I gonna analyze the market. See, now what we can see is we'll go for daily. Okay, this is back testing. You are just checking out the model. Okay, like if you have a good bias, and if your model is good, you can just focus on making good. You can improve your how you can identify daily bias, because once your entry is good, now if you have a good bias, then you can just easily execute, because entry is nothing but more technically or identifying a pattern, but bias is something that you need to guess. So here you have fair value gap in daily. The price may reject from here, so we'll wait. We'll see in 1 hour what you can see. We'll identify for market structures. Dailies are not much important, I would say. Yeah, you need a daily candle to identify, but yeah, as you can see, the price has broken the high. It's weak, but if you go for small time frame, it will be a full candle. So, and it's in a bullish trend. So if this is a high, this is the swing. Here also it has broken. So this was the low, right? So similarly, this will be the low. Price is in uptrend. Okay, but price has to come down. It should do some pullback till I could say here there is a supply zone also, demand zone. So yeah, if price wanna go bullish again, it should come till here and do something. Go for 15 minute. Okay, we'll do a thing. We'll go to London session directly 1 p.m. because we are not going to trade in the midnight of 12 o'clock, right? So this is one of okay. Wait, let me open the. This is 2:30 a.m. Why is not going to London session? Bias is like what are you expecting the market to do? Okay, so wait, let me explain while doing this. See, how would I identify my bias for now? My bias is like till where I am bullish or bearish. Like if you know market structure like SMC concept, now I can see the market is bullish right now. Okay, like market is doing higher highs, higher lows. This is where the breakout structure happened, and this is where the swing low is. Now what's my bias? My bias is bullish because the market is in bullish trend. That's the reason. And what's my bias is? My bias will be I am bullish until this low gets broken. That's all. Until this low gets broken, I am bullish. I am bullish in the higher time frame. And you can also see this has done a breakout structure, so now it has to pull back, right? And you can't be waiting the price to move till here, because it may take whole day also, because this is a higher time frame. In 1 hour you are there. Okay, or so what my bias will be like, I will be bearish now until the pullback happens. I'm bearish for the pullback. After the pullback happens, I'll become bullish again. Okay, So that's what. Now the price, of course, it's going to be bearish. Either it's gonna break this low and become completely bearish, or it's gonna pull back. But pull back, it has to come down. So this is my bearish. This is my bias. How I identify. Like bias is not for something like identifying today the market will go till here. It's like, okay, till here I will be taking only bullish trades. If not, I'll be going for bearish. If this happens, that happens. Something you're creating an assumptions in your brain, something like that. Okay, so in 15 minute you can see 15 minute the market see the price has broken this high. Okay, now it has to pull back, right? This will be something kind of bias. But wait, we cannot enter here because this is 2 a.m. in the morning. We'll fast forward this to no time. Wait, let me reload. The price is going up after doing a break of structure. We'll wait for the price to come till 1 o'clock. Now it's 12:15. Okay, 12:45. Okay, now the price has done the upside break of structure. We'll go for 5 minute and find some internal structures to be traded. You can see prices in downtrend in 5 minute. Okay, and the recent swing we can identify. This is the swing. I will see how many trades we can take. Okay, here it's a break of structure to the bearish side, so I'll be marking this order block. Okay, until another break of structure happens, this order block will be our trade confirmation. Okay, we'll enter here itself. Let's see what's gonna happen. We'll be risking 2% as I do. Okay, the price hasn't given us entry. The price came till here but it rejected. We are not getting any entry here. I'll cancel this. Okay, because we got another you can see this is the low which formed another break of structure. We got another order block. Just like, until and unless you are getting a tap, you can take trades. I would like that's left to you how you're gonna identify. I'm just back testing, so I'm taking wherever my entry model is forming. Or else if you have a proper bias, you'll be taking only 1 to 2 trades, right? Because see, I wait like 1 o'clock we started. Now this is 2:40. You won't be waiting till 3 o'clock for one trade. If you are, then okay, this is how we get an entry, guys. See, as I said, we wait for a tap. Here tap happened and the price gave us, and I was targeting 1:1.5. Okay, yeah, it gave more than 1:1.5, but yeah, 1:1.5 is enough for us. It gave more than 1:3 to give, I think. Okay, so this is what happened in the one day. So we'll go for next London session because we're going to take only one trade a day. Do you scalp? No, bro, I trade in 5 minutes. It's kind of scalping because see the entries we are getting. Hey, are you? Wait, do you guys okay with English or should I talk in Hindi? Just let me know, okay? If Hindi is okay, I can go for Hindi. Hindi में और अच्छा लगेगा. And see, for if I'm trading in 5 minutes, so you can see this took how many candles after entry. Here we got an entry 1 2 3 candles. That's like 15 minutes. So yeah, that's like kind of day trading, not like scalping. Okay, so that's what. English is fine. Okay, if you want. Okay then, because English feels more. But we have some people, like most of them, who are from South India itself, so I don't wanna, So that's what we got an entry. We'll go for next session. Will not waste time. Next London session. Oh, it's 4:12 already. I thought to backtest till 4:30. Chalega. Brother, let it go. Friend, you also be able to speak openly. Bro, once can you explain order block इन इंग्लिश और हिंदी। अमृतांशु, एक काम करता हूँ मैं आपको अभी ऑर्डर ब्लॉक अभी समझाता हूँ। अभी एक ट्रेड लेते हैं, ट्रेड लेते लेते समझा दूंगा। अभी यहाँ पे 1:30 बजे मतलब लंदन सेशन ओपन हो रहा है। अभी हाई टाइम फ्रेम बायस, अभी हाई टाइम फ्रेम बायस क्या ही देखना अभी, लाइक लेट इट बी ब्लॉक एंड इंग्लिश और हिंदी। अमृतांशु, इंग्लिश और हिंदी, यू आर गिविंग मी ऑप्शन और लाइक आई शुड, okay fine, I'll talk in English itself. That's more like universal for everyone. So see, order block is nothing but be clear guys. I'll teach it in trading view. Na 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 na. Open your right. See, order block, anything will do friend. Okay, see, order block is nothing but last candle before the change in direction. Like for example, market is moving down, falling down, and it started going up. The last candle in this swing is order block. The candle forming here will be order block, and I will be marking the whole candle like this, and it's in the opposite direction. If it's like the market is going up, then started look in the अभी बात किस लैंग्वेज में करे भाई? ओके ओके फाइन, अभी हिंदी बात करता। देखो अभी हिंदी में क्या है कि देखो अभी अगर प्राइस ऊपर जा रहा है एंड ऊपर जाते ही अगर प्राइस गिरने लगा, ओके, सो द लास्ट कैंडल बिफोर दिस स्विंग वी विल बी कॉलिंग दिस एज ऑर्डर ब्लॉक। ओके, हाउ यू विल बी आइडेंटिफाइंग इन द मार्केट में कुछ नहीं है। यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे जो वी टर्न हुआ है, वी टर्न का ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब मार्केट जहाँ पे शिफ्ट हो रहा है मतलब उल्टा चल रहा है। जो मार्केट गिर रहा था नीचे की तरफ, ये यहाँ से उठा, मतलब इसका जो लास्ट कैंडल है वो है ये वाला। सो हम यहाँ से ये पूरा कैंडल लास्ट वाला कैंडल है, तो इसको मार्क करेंगे। ये होता है ऑर्डर ब्लॉक, दैट्स ऑल। समझ रहे हो? ये होता है ऑर्डर ब्लॉक। लेकिन जो ट्रेडेबल ऑर्डर, लाइक जो एंट्री मॉडल वाला ऑर्डर ब्लॉक है वो अलग है, ठीक है। वो ऑर्डर ब्लॉक हमें कब कंफर्म होएगा? जब हमारा मार्केट का स्विंग या स्ट्रक्चर ब्रेक होगा। फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर मार्केट यहाँ से ऐसा नीचे गिर रहा है, यहाँ से ऊपर गया नीचे गिरा, और यहाँ से इस हाई को ब्रेक किया, ओके, जब ये वाला रिसेंट हाई को ब्रेक किया तब जो बना ऑर्डर ब्लॉक, ये होता है एंट्री लेने वाला ऑर्डर ब्लॉक। मेरे एंट्री के हिसाब से जब ये ऑर्डर ब्लॉक पे टैप होगा एंट्री हो जाएगा, हम एंट्री लेंगे। समझ रहे हो? सो दिस इज व्हाट ऑर्डर ब्लॉक इज इन माय एंट्री मॉडल। इफ आई डू अ बैक टेस्ट नाउ, ओके, अभी पाँच मिनट में देखो, 5 मिनट में यहाँ पे देख सकते हो मार्केट ने ऊपर की तरफ यहाँ पे ब्रेक किया है, ओके, यहाँ पे हाई ब्रेक किया है, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे जो लास्ट कैंडल बनेगा वो बनेगा समवॉट ये वाला है क्या? ये वाला ऐसा कुछ बनेगा। यही पे सारे एक साथ है कैंडल। सो ऐसा कुछ रैंडम सा हम एक कैंडल जितना ये वाला है, विल कंसिडर दिस मच कैंडल, दिस कैंडल ओनली, ये वाला, और लो यहाँ पे तक रखेंगे। और ये हमारा जोन है, ऑर्डर ब्लॉक वाला जोन है, मतलब जहाँ पे हमारा एंट्री बनेगा। यहाँ पे हम रख देंगे लिमिट ऑर्डर लगा के यूज पेंडिंग ऑर्डर, देखते क्या होता है। सो दिस इज हाउ यू ट्रेड। इस ट्रेड में अगर आपको प्रॉफिट बनाना है, अगर आपको क्विक स्कैल्प करके ऐसा बनाना है, तो दिन में आप, आई वोंट प्रीफर दिस, बट आप ले सकते हो 2-3 एंट्री, क्योंकि मैक्सिमम टाइम्स यहाँ पे प्रॉफिट होता है। क्योंकि कभी कभी क्या होता है, ये मॉडल जो है हर बार बनता है दिन में, मतलब 4-5 बार। अभी देखो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आज मैंने ट्रेड लिया, 2-3 बार बना एंट्री, उसमें एक बार लॉस होगा, 2 बार प्रॉफिट हुआ। लेकिन मैंने एंट्री कब ली? जब वो मेरे को लॉस वाला ही मॉडल दिखा। समझ रहे हो? मतलब अगर आप प्रॉपर बायस के साथ नहीं ट्रेड कर रहे हो तो आप दिन में 2-3 लोगे तो उसमें प्रॉफिटेबल बन सकते, क्योंकि मैक्सिमम ऑफ टाइम यू आर गोइंग टू विन। बट अगर आप नॉर्मली एंट्रीज ले रहे हो तो ज़्यादा लो। अगर आप बायस का हाईएस्ट बायस वाला ट्रेड ही ले रहे हो, एकदम पूरा एनालिसिस करके एक ही ट्रेड लोगे, तो आपको चांसेस रहेगा। व्हाट हैपेंड, अभी पहला ट्रेड जो मैंने ऑर्डर ब्लॉक के बेसिस पे लिया था वो मेरा लॉस गया। दूसरा ट्रेड जो ले सकता था वो प्रॉफिट था, लेकिन लिया नहीं, क्योंकि मैंने स्टोरी में डाला था कि मैं एक ही ट्रेड लूँगा। सो दैट्स रिव्यू ऑन द न्यूज़ टुडे, बाय और सेल। हाँ ब्रो, डोंट स्पैम, बताता हूँ। बट वंस विल डू दिस, एक बार इस पर देखते हैं ये क्या होता है। विल गेट एन एंट्री और नॉट. एंट्री हो गई, नीचे गया एसएल में रहेगा क्या? ओके, दिस इज अगेन अ प्रॉफिट. यू कैन सी इफ आई जूम इन, हम एंट्री कहाँ पे, थोड़ा सा देखो ऑर्डर ब्लॉक यहाँ पे था. अगर मैं प्रॉपर ऑर्डर ब्लॉक पे रखता तो ऐसा लगता है. ऑर्डर ब्लॉक से थोड़ा ऊपर रख सकते देखो, क्योंकि मैं नॉर्मली रखता हूँ. एंड हमने 1:1.5 टारगेट किया एंड ये 1:2 तक का दिया है. सी दिस इज वेरी बेसिक थिंग. देखो क्या देखा हमने, एक ब्रेक ऑफ हाई देखा, ये हाई का ब्रेक हुआ. ओके एंड ये ब्रेक, इसमें देखो मैं क्लियरली बताता हूँ, इसमें कुछ यहाँ पे बुलिश क्यों गया पता है, मैं आपको बताता हूँ. यहाँ पे मार्केट आपको साइडवेज दिख रहा है. अगर आप एसएमसी में मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर में माहिर हो, अगर आपको पूरा लॉजिक आता है, तो आप देख सकते हो ये मार्केट, हाँ ये तो साइडवेज ही है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे तो ये एक बुलिश मार्केट है. क्यों बताता हूँ, मैं पाथ ले लेता हूँ, पाथ में अच्छा आगे. प्राइस यहाँ से उठा, ऊपर गया, ओके, फिर नीचे आया, ओके, फिर यहाँ पे हाई ब्रेक किया. ठीक है, सो जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे ये नीचे वाला लो है, फिर ऊपर की तरफ ब्रेकआउट स्ट्रक्चर हुआ. ठीक है, तो एक्चुअली ट्रेड ये वाला ऑर्डर ब्लॉक पे ही बनता, और यहीं से रिजेक्ट किया है, ये वाला ऑर्डर ब्लॉक पे ही किया है. लेकिन हम थोड़े छोटे टाइम फ्रेम में थे, तो हमने ये वाला हाई को कंसिडर किया इंटरनली और इसी ऑर्डर ब्लॉक पे एंट्री लिया. दैट्स व्हाट, क्योंकि हमने 1 बजे के बाद जो ओपन किया है ना लंदन सेशन में. बट टू बी प्रिसाइज, दिस वाज द बेटर ऑर्डर ब्लॉक यू कुड हैव ट्रेडेड, बिकॉज यहाँ पे ऑर्डर ब्लॉक क्रॉस भी नहीं किया, बट स्टिल वी गॉट ए टीपी. सो दिस इज हाउ यू नो which pair you suggest to trade other than gold and which you personally trade. That's the best question you could have asked, and I will also get you tell you the reasons what you need to trade. Okay, so what I used to trade was gold. You know what, gold, if I show gold में जो entries बन रहे हैं, जो देखो gold में you can see the market came down, यहाँ पे breakout structure ऊपर की तरफ किया, and most of the people OTP था अरे कॉल कर. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हाई ब्रेक होते, मैं अगर इस ऑर्डर ब्लॉक पे एंट्री लेने जाता तो आई वुड गेट स्टॉप्ड, क्योंकि गोल्ड डजंट रेस्पेक्ट दिस मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर कॉन्सेप्ट जो अपना आता है ना, हायर हाई हायर लो, वो ज़्यादा प्रिसाइजली रेस्पेक्ट नहीं करता, चूतिया जैसा करता है. सो दैट्स वाई आई गो फॉर यूरो-USD, क्योंकि यूरो-USD गोल्ड की तरह ही वॉलेटाइल भी है, अच्छे वॉल्यूम भी है, एंड इतना चीट नहीं करता, इतना मैनिपुलेट नहीं करता जितना गोल्ड करता है. मैं उससे भी स्लोअर पेयर के लिए जाऊँ तो आई कुड हैव गॉन फॉर ऑस्ट्रेलियन डॉलर्स और जापानीज येन पेयर्स. बट उसमें क्या है कि उसमें मैनिपुलेशन तो नहीं होता, ऑफकोर्स कभी नहीं होगा, क्योंकि वो बहुत स्लो है, लेकिन इसमें वॉल्यूम भी नहीं है, बहुत स्लो मूवमेंट है. बट यूरो-USD क्या है कि वो गोल्ड की तरह ही है, गोल्ड का छोटा भाई है जो थोड़ा एग्रेसिव कम है. सो आई गो फॉर यूरो-USD एंड पर्सनली, अरे कुत्ते की माँ का, तो सॉरी तो आई ट्रेड यूरो-USD क्योंकि पर्सनली आई लाइक इट. एंड आफ्टर शिफ्टिंग टू यूरो-USD, क्योंकि मेरा क्या था कि जब मैं गोल्ड में लॉस करने लगा, इफ़ यू आर इन लॉस, इफ़ यू आर नॉट प्रॉफिटेबल, आपको भी यही करना है. अगर आप लॉस में हो, अगर आप मतलब आपको लॉस में, आपको क्या है, आप यूट्यूब देख रहे हो, स्ट्रैटेजी देख रहे हो, भाई स्ट्रैटेजी मत देखो, आप क्या कर रहे हो उसको देखो, उसको इवैल्यूएट करो और देखो अपने मतलब अपने जर्नल के हिसाब से कि आपको क्या चेंजेस करना है. अभी जैसे कि मैं गोल्ड में मतलब मेरा लॉस होने लगा तो आई वेंट टू यूरो-USD, क्योंकि मैंने रिसर्च किया कि कौन सा पेयर अच्छा. अभी ChatGPT से पूछो, सबसे पूछा, तो एक हफ्ता लगा दिया कि कौन सा which pair is more volatile or which is better with volume. I need, because the structure I trade, I need good volume also. Which confirmation would you suggest? Confirmation, see, my entry has 3 things. Again I'm saying it's higher time frame bias, entry model, then limit order. You don't need to wait for confirmation in candle close. See, that's what you need to train yourself. If you are like if you are like trading in lots of fear, that's where people find very much difficulty to take entries on this tap. Like people want that okay price ऊपर जाए, एक bearish candle दिखाए, so that candle के close पे entry ले. Yeah, that's good, that's safer, but you need to be a bit confident on your entries, where you can just take an entry on just a limited order. Like even if the candle is not close, even if the the price is going up, you'll be taking sell entry here, like price may go up and then start coming down. See, so that's what you need to trade, that momentum. Yes, gold is not that favorable for me as well, so I asked, yeah, don't trade gold, go for USD, go for GBP. That's also good, that most same as USD only, you know. So that's what about, if you see in USD, JBP, there is no trade we are getting. No, there is nothing trade here. But in USD there was USD, and and another thing I would suggest, अगर if you are doing higher time frame bias देख रहे हो, identify कर रहे हो, तो एक काम करो, आप DXY यूज़ करो. DXY is the thing that moves against these all pairs. जो भी USD pairs है उसके against DXY मूव करता है, and DXY helps us to identify क्या हो सकता है. देख, for example, अभी ऐसा भी मार्केट चल रहा है. सो इफ़ आई फाइंड अ लॉन्ग इम्बैलेंस फेरल गैप यहाँ पे, और मेरे को पता है कि ओके प्राइस इज़ गोइंग टू गो बेरिश टू फिल दिस गैप, सो देन अगर ये बुलिश बेरिश जाएगा तो आई नो USD हैज़ टू गो बुलिश, क्योंकि दोनों अपोजिट जाते हैं. सो इफ़ देर इज अ चांसेस ऑफ दिस गोइंग बेरिश, I won't be taking sell entries. If there is also sell entry, I won't enter, because the higher the confirmation you have, better it is. I'm asking for confirmation, brother. Like what type of confirmation? Can you let me know? Huh? ಎಂತ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಬಂದದ? ಇವು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ಕಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲಿ ನಿನ್ನೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಇದ್ಯಾರು ಹೊಸಬರು ಬಂದ? ಎಂತ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂದದ್ದು ಬೇರೆಯಾ? ಒಂದು ತಂದು ಕೊಟ್ರು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಬಂದಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ಕಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡು ಗಮ್ ಟೇಪ್. ಹೌದು, ಮಳೆ ಬತ್ತಿತ್ತು, ನಾ ಕೋಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡಿದೆ, ಒಳ ಬಂದಿಂದ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದು, ಹೌದು, ಅದು ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು. ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ಒಳ ಬನ್ನಿ ರೈನ್ ಕೋಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಅಲ್ಲ ಬತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಮಳೆ ಬತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಒಳ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೆದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಂತ ಕರಿತಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ. Use GFT, brother, it is good and the cost is also very low. 2-step account. I'm asking for confirmation. Yes bro, I use GFT. See, I have some I trade in 3 platforms. One is GFT, and that is the most. After GFT, the one I am using is NYS. क्योंकि मेरे को $100K का एक अकाउंट मिला था, वो अपना फ्लैश अकाउंट गिव अवे में, बट आई डोंट ट्रेड दैट. NYS का मेरा PNL देख लो. बाई वेट, विंडो NYS कितने, I didn't even log into that NYS. Buy one get one. NYS by उस दिन जो पागल बना, इसलिए I hate this firm, because like I sat, like I was watching whole of their live, and last minute they are giving this flash account. Like even if I want to, even if I pass it, my win rate is 83% in this, and I'm like $1,594 up. And even if I pass this account, I need to pay 20,000-30,000 again extra just to get that live account. Am I even mad? Like if I had $10,000-$20,000, I could have taken some 25K live account, $25K live account itself, like the instant one. Why do I need these flash accounts? Like bro, simply see, you can check I traded only for 2 days, I think. Let's me see. I don't have a single loss day. Like one trade $5-10, then I took 4 trades, 8-7-10, 1 trade 2-14. That's all. When I got this profits, I thought, yeah, it's waste of time. Why should I waste time on this? Then I was taking a break from trading so that I can do some videos. क्या I use it to test only. Yeah bro, that's what, that's a waste of time. Like क्या करूँ मैं उसका. It's 4:27. We'll end the live at 4:30. I need to go and I have something order, like this is for the background, for the decoration. Huh? Unfold alaga. Unfold. Oh, packet alda ಇದೆ ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದು ಹಿಂಗೆ. ಈ ಕಲರ್ ಬೇರೆ ತರಿಸಿದ್ಯಾ? ಕಲರ್ ಬೇಕು ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಕೊತಾರೆ.
ಬಿಡಿಸಿಡಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ.
ಬಿಡಿಸಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಇದು ತೆಳು ಭಯಂಕರ ತೆಳು, ನಂದು ದಪ್ಪ ಇತ್ತು.
ಸಾಕು.
ದಪ್ಪ ನಮ್ಮ ದಪ್ಪ.
ದಪ್ಪ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡ ಆಸೆ ಅದು. ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೆ ಮಾರ.
ಎಷ್ಟು ದಪ್ಪ ಇತ್ತು, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇತ್ತು.
Unboxing. Yeah bro, unboxing. This is the background we are like a little. Aldo gum ತೆಗಿಬಿಡು. What is MetaTrader 5? It is coming in gift or GFT?
Sorry.
A MetaTrader 5, you know what is MetaTrader 5? I'll show. See, if you can see or not, I don't know.
ಈಗ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
Space it like arc. MetaTrader 5 is an app, okay? It's kind of app. Okay, what you got to do in MetaTrader 5 is there you have a login option. Like when you buy any account, they will be giving you login and password. So you are if you buy an account in Profirms or any of the broker, if you are they giving you this ID password of MetaTrader 5, like if you have to choose the MetaTrader 5 only. There you need to log in the MetaTrader 5 using that ID password. Like you need to add account. So yeah, it's an execution platform. You can use it to take trades and also
9
9 ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ 9 ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ
ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ
500 ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So yeah, it helps to take trades. Like you can make entries, and you know what, more like it's more precise. Like if you trading view is like not that much precise, then see, like they will be having different MT5 servers or come like for different platform. Like if I kept my, for example, if in the chart, if I'm keeping my TP on this high, okay, but MT5, in MT5 the TP may be bit more higher. Like even if you know, if the price is going up and it has hit your TP, you won't be booked. Okay. Okay. It won't be hit. Like in MT5 the TP is more, like you know, you may be having, like you know, for example, if you're you know, putting your stop loss in the same candle, like if you're putting in the TP in the same candle of both trading view and MT5, in MT5, you know, in trading view it may, you know, across that candle and may start reversing, but in MT5 the candle may be bit high. Like there are difference, but yeah, it's better. Like it's very hard to execute, you know, do analysis on MT5, but you need to have that little gap. थोड़ा देखना पड़ेगा. Brother, I ordered it without telling mom. Yeah, I ordered because that was my money. I didn't inform. I don't inform. I just order. Nice talking to bro. I'll backtest your USD now. Thanks for your. Yeah, if you're backtesting, I suggest GFT because actually this was session to backtest, but हमने backtest नहीं किया. Backtest, you know why? You know, see, one, you can make sessions. One, you can, you know, make strategies. One, you can also try different accounts. You know, different accounts you can trade by using its rules. Yesterday I traded an inside account and I made some $200 in one trade itself. Account got breached because, you know, you are not allowed to make that much profit. Also, you need to have some limit. But you can see here, if I go for stats, you can see how many trades I took, what's the average PNL, what's the win rate. So this helps you to, you know, and also it helps you identify, like if you're taking randomly trades, you can also filter like which week you had good profit and which session you could traded well. See here, it's mostly London and everything is zero because I was like shifting to this London. And also this is free. That's what, like it's free, or else you got to pay some amount for this, you know, backtesting softwares. Even say I pay this like 1,500 for trading view also for the pro. Here I can only get to replay, but there you can backtest, like you know. That's what. Yeah, I would end the live here. It was nice talking to you all, guys. We'll come back with a good live where you can trade live. Yeah, GFT में free है. I think you need to have an account at least. क्योंकि मेरे पास अभी 6 अकाउंट्स है, 2 फंडेड अकाउंट्स है, उसमें 6 अकाउंट्स है. बट I guess I'm using this only. Yeah, अगर GFT का अकाउंट है तो I think it's free for them. You can check once. But yeah, GFT is good. One thing you need to look into it, that there are some rules which are, people say, hidden, but I don't think so. Like the 2 minute rule. 2 minute rule, it's there in every platform. Okay, but yeah, the thing is GFT kept it hidden. That's it. But the rule is in everyone, like in every platform, and also while you are in funded stage, like the GFT rules are very simple, very less in evaluation stage. But in funded stage, you have 80% margin rule, where you are not allowed to use more than 80% of your whole funds for a single trade. And of course, if you don't follow it, and the rule is also mentioned in the website, and if you don't follow and if you don't get payout, like, why are you blaming the firm? It's your mistake. It's one account from them. It's free only. Yeah. You need to get one account. You can get that $1 account also, so that you can, even if you breach that account also, you'll be having access for this backtesting software. So you can make it. Is there a limit? Like, considering GFT, there is a limit. Like, you can't make more than $3,000 in one day for one account. So yeah, I'll be ending the live here. That was nice talking to you all, guys. Bye bye. Take care. We'll meet again, if possible tomorrow, or if possible tonight itself. I had to do some workout and all. Later we could have come and I could have given you trades, if possible. We could have sat and we could have identified live trades. We'll see that later. We can discuss about that in Telegram if you want. Do subscribe, do like the stream. Take care. Bye bye.